these are not just a website, these are full 3D experience. And the crazy part, you can build something like this yourself using just anti-gravity and spline. No complex coding required. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to create a premium AI agency website with a cinematic 3D hero section, smooth scroll animations, and design that actually look like 5K client projects. If you are a developer, freelancer, or someone who wants to stand out in 2026, this skill can literally change your game. So let's not waste any time. Let's build your first 3D website together. So in order to create an animated website, first of all, we will need an amazing prompt, which I have already created using ChatGPT for me. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini to create a prompt for yourself. After creating a prompt, you will need to create a folder on your desktop or anywhere you want. I am creating on my desktop named 3D website. After that, you will need to open that folder into your Google Antigravity. Okay. After that, you can simply copy your prompt and paste it into your Google Antigravity, and make sure to select your agentic mode to planning and your model to Gemini 3.1 Pro because it's best for planning purposes. After that, just simply hit enter and it will start creating an amazing website development plan for you. Okay, so let's wait for it. If you need my prompt, then make sure to comment prompt below this video and I will share my document with you. Okay, great. So our website plan is ready. Let's verify it step by step so you can find out the tech stack Antigravity is going to use and everything else in your implementation plan. Okay, so after verification, you can select the mode to fast and you can simply hit a command proceed. Okay, and it will start creating the website for you. For me, the Antigravity is using static HTML, CSS, and vanilla JavaScript to create my website. Okay, so let me type a prompt proceed and let's hit enter. And great, it will now start creating the website. So let's wait for it until it's creating the website and doing the heavy liftings for us. So our website is ready and it has shared the live URL to check it on our live server. So let's open this on our local browser and here it is. This is looking insane, guys. It literally took me just 2 minutes to create this kind of visually appealing website for us, and it's fully functional and mobile responsive. It has nice sections and everything else we require for our AI agency business. Okay, so this website is for AI agency business which uses AI to provide different kind of services ranging from website development, digital marketing, and everything else. Let's integrate our 3D element into this website so that it can look amazing. Okay, to include the 3D element, you will need to go to Spline. Okay, I will put the link into the description and log in over there. You can sign up into this website using your Google account. Okay, I already have an account, so I just signed up into it, and you will find tons of templates for your 3D elements to be used on your website. Okay, it offers generous free tier to be used. Okay, and if you need something unique and appealing, then you can go for the community tab and you will be able to remix lots of free available templates and element from the Spline community. Okay, let me open a few of them to show you that how this kind of 3D elements look and how it interacts. Okay, so let's open this one. This is looking amazing. Okay, let's go to full screen and check this out. Amazing, right? If you move your mouse cursor, it will just interact with it. Okay, so it's very engaging for your website visitors. Okay, let me show you some more. Okay, check out this little robot thing. Okay, the eyes are moving according to your cursor, according to my mouse cursor movement. And this is one I'm going to use on my website. Okay, a hello robot. Okay, a nice tiny robot with amazing animations. And check this out, the 3D keyboard effect on the website. Okay, if you are an IT professional, then it is going to blow your mind. And this one is getting very trendy these days. Okay, the ball with the 3D effect and this background text. Okay, lots of people are using it on their website. Okay, so there are lots of options. You can pick any of these. Okay, there is a vast library to choose from. Okay, so make sure to select according to your need, according to your likings. Okay, So let me use this one. Let's click on remix, and for me it's showing to upgrade because I already have 2 to 3 projects opened over here. Okay, for you it will just open in this canvas. Okay, so you can hide or delete any kind of element, you can add any kind of element, you can change the colors of any element over here. It means you can simply customize it however you want. Okay, let me change the lighting color into the robot to show you guys how it works. Okay, so this is how it works. Let me change the color. Okay, you can see the colors are getting changed inside the robot. Okay, so this is how you can customize any element, and after that just simply click on the export button, and under viewer tab you will be find the URL to be used by the Google Antigravity. Okay, as you can see it clearly mentioned that we need to copy the URL, the embed URL under the viewer tab. Okay, so let's copy this URL and let's share it with Google Antigravity and ask it to integrate it on our hero section for the website. Okay, so let me simply put the URL and hit enter. So basically what Google Antigravity will do, it will use this URL on our blank space on our hero element we already created for the website. Okay, so let's hit enter and it will now put this 3D element on our hero section. Great, so this is ready. Let's open the URL again. Let's open the website and verify it. And look at this, guys, it's looking amazing, it's looking outstanding. So it's giving a very natural and amazing feel for any kind of AI agent driven website. Okay, so we have lots of other sections like AI automation services sections. Okay, funnel building and lot more. Okay, how it works sections. So we got our agency website ready literally in 5 to 6 minutes, which is insane in the era of AI. Okay, so if you want to try it yourself, then make sure to follow these steps and create this kind of website for free using this kind of amazing tools. Okay, I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. Make sure to comment on this video and like my video if you got some value with it, and make sure to subscribe my channel for more informational update like this.